The Sideloadly wireless side loading feature allows you to install and automatically refresh apps over Wi-Fi after an initial wired setup. Now, both your computer and your iOS device must be on the same Wi-Fi network for it to work. Now, the initial setup of Sideloadly, I'm going to take you through it. If you're using Windows, you're going to have to use iTunes to connect your phone to your iTunes. And under the options section, you're going to enable sync this device over Wi-Fi checkbox. Then you sync and that's done. But we're using MacBook, so on the MacBook, first of all, what we're going to do is you're going to open a Finder, and under the locations header, we're going to find the mobile device that we want to use Sideloadly on. So once we find it, we're going to go to the General tab, and we're going to scroll down, and under the Options tab, we're going to see Show this iPhone when on Wi-Fi, and we're going to click on it. Now we're going to apply, and we're going to sync. We're going to go to the top, and we're going to click on the spotlight. Here we're going to load Sideloadly, and it's checking for updates, and then we're going to open Sideloadly on the side. Now you can see this is my iWire Pro Max, and we have iWire Pro Max. Now you can choose the one with the Wi-Fi or the one with the USB. Now once we have the one with the Wi-Fi, you're going to enter your Apple ID, and you're going to click on Start, and you're going to be able to use your Sideloadly wirelessly. Now if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.